Good morning. It is a lovely day today. I'm gonna make this video on my CEI trade. I just recorded everything from yesterday, but didn't have time to shoot it yesterday, so I'm gonna shoot it today. Um, so this was the only stock that I traded yesterday, and made $100 on it, but could have been a lot better. I did a lot of scalping trade. I think that's where it got me. But then, yeah, I'll just break it down. As you can see on this day right here, this is 12, 11, and 19. The last time this stock gapped up, it went from, let's see here. So the low was 140 all the way up to 3. So this is pretty much the same as what today was, price action and everything, 140 to 3. So this is what I pretty much expected the stock to do. It can close green, but with this chart pattern, I was pretty confident that it was going to close the way it did. So let me bring over my trades I can show you. It's probably the most trades I've made in a long time. Dun, dun, dun. So, as you can see, I took a little stab on the front side where I got short, and then I covered once it broke. But you can definitely tell I shorted the whole backside of this move. My best entry was at like 260s. And then looks like I covered down here in the 240s. There was a lot of trades where I won, then I lost, then I won, then I lost. But this last trade right here, I shorted. It was like 232, and then I finally covered at 2. My target price was 190 for the stock. And then after hours, I shorted a couple times, and then I'm covering at 181. So, yeah, I definitely did a lot of trades on this, which I normally don't. Right here is my normal style of trading. You know, I try to hold for the closing price or wherever I think it's at. So yeah, I'll show you my P&L. What I'm looking for on Monday is right here for this stock to do. I'm looking for this 190s to hold as resistance, which it did. And then my price target will be 140. So 190 to 140 is what I'm expecting the stock to do on Monday. And then if it bottoms at 140 and 140's hold, I'm actually going to buy the stock. And then I'm going to ride it back up to the 240s. That's my plan. So going into Monday, I'm going to have a trade for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So let me get my P&L over here. Dun, dun, dun. So that's my P&L for that trade, $100. Can't complain. Should have been a lot better if I wouldn't have scalped it. That's why I don't do good scalping stocks. Price action will just it'll crush you. I should have been $300-400 yesterday, but it is what it is. So like I say, this 190 is going to be a big level come Monday. This is exactly how I think the trade's going to play out. And then I think it's going to reverse. And then I think it's going to come up here to test this 240s again. So that's going to be pretty much what I'm going to be looking at all next week. So, yeah, that's the reason why I ended up shorting the stock, is because 140, pretty much the same price action to threes. Yeah, I thought I was going more off of when this thing was going to peak out, and this at 11:30, and then pretty much peaked out at 10. So I couldn't. That's what kind of threw me off. I can't really go on the time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But like I say, going back into Monday, you guys all know my plan now for Monday's trade is to short the stock, and then I'm going to be, this 140s holds, I'll risk it all the way down to 132. If 132 holds, I'm going to be holding the stock overnight until it goes back up to 240. So, yeah, all in all, it was a green day. Another green day. That was 4 out of 5 days has been green this week, which is phenomenal. And I'm really starting to hone in on the support and resistance. That's why I don't scalp, because a lot of these trades, I got filled at 260. I could have just held it the day. But I don't know. I just didn't trade like myself yesterday. But yeah, so Monday, look to see what the stock does. Like I say, 190 to 140. That's the price range. If it blows past 190 and keeps going, my target to start shorting is probably in the 240s. 220s, 240s. But looking back at this, it can do whatever it wants, but that's going to be my game plan. So till next time, traders, peace out.